Oh yeah, dude! You did it! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Well, I guess it's what we asked for.
Yes, baby!
November 4th.
Woo!
Kind of par for the course.
Yeah. Guys, this is likely one of, if not the last day of the season. And, you know, let me wash this thing off there. The interesting thing about today is that when we see conditions like this, Mike and I are literally jumping around like little kids in the kitchen.
We got pumped up this morning. Yeah.
Yeah, because yesterday was too nice of a day. This is what we need to put fish in the net in the late fall period.
Trophy weather.
This is trophy weather, baby! Let's do it!
Chaz Martin's Musky Mastery Outdoors is brought to you by Joe Bucher Outdoors, #1 in big game fish products, and by St. Croix Rods, best rods on earth. Fish more, worry less.
Guys, one thing that we do with our depth raters and our lures, as you can see, it's a split ring connected directly to the steel leader, and we feel that this is probably the most hardcore and fail-proof way to connect your line, because what it does is it avoids dealing with the fatigue of snaps over time. And when you're this late into the season and you're on big fish water, the last thing you want is tackle failure. So you've got to always be prepared with the most hardcore stuff.
It's the no BS system.
Yeah, baby!
Holy cow.
Guys, there's nothing like a little snowstorm pizza to warm you up during a late fall hunt.
I would say these conditions are less than ideal.
Oh, I'm having fun.
This is incredible, man. This is like, one, it's absolutely beautiful. Snow on the trees. And two, this is when the big dogs come out. I'm gonna get one.
Alright, stay where you're at, I'll help you. Don't worry, Mike. You got it? Yeah, I got it. Alright, keep coming with it. Who cares? Might be bigger than you think, dude. That's true. Laying down. Get her out from that motor. Come. Oh yeah, dude! It's a nice fish, dude! We're on the board, dude! We're on the board! Unbelievable! That's a nice fish, man. Oh, look at this thing, dude! In the dead of winter! Dude! We went a little deeper! That's a beauty, man! It's a beauty! You did it! Woo! Guys, we had to get this fish in the live well to get out of this terrible wind. Look at this brute, Mike Conti.
That
end
is
of
a
the
chunker.
season.
Holy cow.
Dude.
You see this? You see these conditions? This is wild.
Wow.
Nice
Last fish of the year, likely. Major snowstorm. It doesn't get any better than that. Mike Conti on the board, baby. Nice job.
Dude, maybe signing off for the 2018 season?
We may be.
There she is.
Beautiful fish. Guys, thanks for watching.
There she goes.
Nice thing about these cold temps.
Oh yeah.
She's there she goes. There she goes. Big old girl. Swimming off to fight another day.